Hi, it's Mike with Itty Bitty Microfarm, and today we're going to talk about watering microgreens. Let's get into it. All right, we're going to get into talking about specific crops of how to water the microgreens. So we got broccoli here we're going to talk about first. So these are two different broccolis. This one is on day 9, getting ready to get harvested tomorrow. This one's on day 7, going to get harvested in 3 more days. So they're going to get different watering. This one's probably going to get a little bit lighter because you want to make sure you're harvesting dry. You can kind of feel the canopy. It's still a little moist today even. Up here you can feel some moisture. So you're going to give this a little bit less water. Our standard water for broccoli is 1.5 cups. That's most of the time we're going to water 1.5 cups. We've measured it out. We know what it is with the hose. I do recommend doing that. If you have never done that, make sure you measure out how much you're giving it so you know. So with this one, you're just going to kind of fill it, raise it up, separate the trays. Kind of see the moisture in the bottom. There's still some moisture dropping even down at the bottom of this tray. So this one I'm probably going to give a little less than 1 cup of water. So about 5 seconds on the trigger here. I push the tray down and let it set on that so you don't make a mess and all the water goes in there. So just about that. Let the tray fill, set it down gently. That's what we're going to water the broccoli on day 9. Now it could be different per product. You just got to kind of play around with it and measure it out for what you need. This one's on day 7, so it's a little bit lighter. It's not holding as much moisture, so we're going to give this one a little bit more, probably full 1.5 cups. 10 seconds here. And there we go. Just a count of 10, roughly 10 seconds. Set it down gently, and that's how we're going to water the 2 different stages of broccoli as they're going along here. So keep that in mind when you're going, and just make sure you're watering that. We'll get into some other crops here. All right, let's talk about arugula. This is a very difficult crop to get down on watering. It's very fickle and needs special love and care on it, I would say. So we got different stages of arugula here. We got this one just coming out of germ right now. This one will go into a blackout once we get done. It's just over here for purposes of showing you the watering. So this one is going to go in blackout for a day. This one is at day 7, and this one is at day 9. So these are different heights, not much different height. They're going to take different watering on them. So when it's coming right out of blackout, we're going to miss the top. We don't water the bottom of it on this one. When we first come out, we miss the top of this one. So going to give that a little bit of a mist here. And then that's all you do for that, just to give it a little bit of water to get it going for 1 more day of blackout. So that's how we do that one. Now let's talk about arugula that's on day 7 of watering. We're going to give this probably 1 cup. You're going to give arugula less water normally than you do most of all your other crops. It's going to take less water. It does not like a lot of water. So you raise it up. It's going to be lighter than all the rest of the crops too. So just about that. Just about 1 cup of water there on day 7. Set her down. Let it get good watering all of it. To let you know also, I'll show you on the bottom here, we are using mesh trays from Bootstrap Farmer now, which has definitely changed the game for us on arugula. So I also recommend getting them for the more delicate crops. And then we're gonna go to day 9 now of this arugula. Kind of fill it. She's still pretty heavy for arugula. It's not as heavy as the broccolis, but it's still heavy for arugula. So we're just gonna give it a little bit of watering, maybe about 3-second squeeze on this one. So just about that. Let the water kind of settle into the tray and then close her down. And that's all that needs because you want to make sure you're harvesting these dry. So that's arugula, different stages of arugula watering. Just remember, less water. All right, we're going to talk about sunflowers now. And remember, if you're getting any value out of this video, please go ahead and make sure you hit a like. It really helps us out a lot. Just go ahead and hit that like button at the bottom. If you're not already subscribed, so go ahead and subscribe to this channel. We get more videos like this out there. And also hit that bell notification, send notifications out to you every time we post a new video. All right, let's talk about sunflowers. So these sunflowers are on day 9. So that's what they look like. Hardly any seed hulls on them. You can see that. No seed hulls on these, very little. There's some underneath ones. You can see there. You're gonna have different growth heights in sunflowers. They're not going to grow the same height. So you're not going to get 100% of the seed hulls. But you can check out our sunflower grow video, and it shows how that we brush the top of these and beat them up really good to get all these seed hulls off here and get 90% probably seed hulls off. And then when you're harvesting, all you got to do is sort out the ones that still have sunflower seeds on them and throw them to the side and just package the rest of them. So you're misting the top and doing that. So you can check that out in that video as well. Because these are day 9, we do not brush these on day 9. You don't want to beat them up and have them flopped over and everything else. You want to give them time to do that. So day 9, we don't brush. We just water, bottom water. Now sunflowers can take more water than most of the other delicate crops like broccoli, arugula, definitely less water. These ones can handle more water. So we give these 1.5 cups every day when watering. And this is pretty light even, so it definitely is gonna need a full cup and a half. Make sure you're on shower mode. And cup and a half one. Just like that. Let the water settle in and then lightly set the tray down so you don't get any splashes. Pretty simple. And sunflowers are gonna take about a cup and a half every day. Same with peas, radishes. Radishes really like water. You can check out our How to Grow series videos on all our crops of what the water takes on them. I'll put a playlist up here on the side for you. You can click on that. Other than that, we'll see you in the next one.